7 minus 7 gives us 0. And again here we have 7 minus 7. So 0 times 0 is just 0. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression we have two subtractions and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because multiplication comes before subtraction. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So therefore, first we have to do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction or this subtraction before this multiplication, it is wrong. So first we have to do this multiplication. 7 times 7 equals 49. So we have 7 minus 49 minus 7. Now we have to do this subtraction. 7 minus 49 gives us negative 42. So we have negative 42 minus 7, which equals negative 49. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is negative 49. Now it's your turn. Find the value of this expression. 6 divided by 2 divided by 6 and again divided by 2. Leave your answer in the comments.